Hello, my dear children, how are you? I hope you all are safe. My dear children, today we are going to do a project. So, I have already attached lots of examples. You have to make a pop-up box, you have to make a greeting card or an invitation card, anything which you like. These are the examples, these are the images. Some of them are the images which are actually showing gratitude. Now, what is gratitude? That you have to appreciate nature. Trees, they give us oxygen. Flowers, they give us fragrance. Without nature, we are nothing. So you just have to say thank you. I had made this, I got no prize. My friend had made this, she got first prize all over India. You can see my friend Miss Namita, she made this. So these are some examples that you can do it. Now you have to use eco-friendly objects. Do not purchase anything much from outside. Use from eco-friendly objects. You can do it. This is my invitation card which I had made. So you know, this invitation card I had used some printing material. Now see, I
Name
can
tag,
do this, but you all cannot. You all are very small. So
invitation,
please do use handmade products.
front
Use your
page,
handwriting in this. Okay, this is just an example
back
that these
page,
are the
which
things
is
that
stick.
you can do. This is all out of recycle. You can see that flower thing, that was recycled thing. The friendship band, that ribbon was recycled thing. I got first prize in this. I had made this greeting card, this is a pop-up box for the soldiers. I had made this in 2018 during Diwali. I had made this for soldiers and I had got first prize in my college. So I am expecting something like this, but which you can do, which you all can do, my dear children. Do not take or ask your parents to do it. Whatever you can do, you have to do this project on your own. You can take ideas from them, plus you can take their advices, but the project will be done by you. Please, my dear children, I hope you will enjoy this session. I hope you will enjoy the project. This special part was in the bottle. I had kept a small message as well. So I hope you can understand what a pop-up box or invitation card is. But do whatever you want. A small greeting card will also do. These all are just examples for references. Just examples. You have to make something on your own. A greeting card to appreciate nature, to appreciate the beauty of nature, to say thank you to nature. Okay, my dear children, I hope, because we are studying EVS, I hope you will understand that nature is everything. In case you have doubts, you can ask me. You are going to submit your projects on or before 11th of July. If it is done in advance, you can do it. You can send it to me, but on my personal WhatsApp number. So this is the bottle which I was talking about, and in this bottle there's a message. So you can use your innovation. I got this idea because I was reading a book, a message in a bottle. So these are the things what you can do. My dear children, take care, enjoy, be safe.